Welcome to your guide to reverse mortgages, a home equity loan specifically designed for seniors that could bring more stability and security to your retirement. We know what your home means to you. That's why we take great pride in ensuring that our customers are treated with absolute respect and dignity. You might have heard about reverse mortgages. Good and bad, I'm sure. But you weren't exactly sure what they were. Well, that's what we hope this information guide will do. Give you the facts and provide enough information to help you take the next step. If you've been thinking about how to fund your retirement, whether for immediate needs or looking longer term, and you want to find out how a reverse mortgage loan really works, well, you've come to the right place. You will appreciate how dedicated our reverse mortgage professionals are in ensuring you receive excellent service throughout your loan process. From your first phone call with a reverse mortgage professional, our goal is to make sure every question and concern is addressed and that you understand all your options regarding a reverse mortgage loan. If it's not right for you, we'll be the first to tell you. Our job is to make sure you're comfortable every step of the way. So please, sit back, relax, and take the time to learn more about a reverse mortgage loan. So let's get started with the basics. What is a reverse mortgage loan? Well, a reverse mortgage loan is a way to turn the equity locked in your home into tax-free cash without having to make any monthly mortgage payments, although you will have to pay your property taxes and homeowner's insurance. The funds you receive can be used for almost anything, including paying off your existing mortgage, eliminating credit card bills, paying medical or other bills, or simply improving your lifestyle. You can also establish a line of credit that grows over time, giving you access to cash when you need it. However, there are risks. Borrowers could be subject to foreclosure for reasons including failure to maintain the home or to pay property taxes and homeowners insurance. For millions of Americans, retirement is not what it used to be. Costs such as healthcare, home maintenance, and other lifestyle needs are only increasing. Things just don't cost what they used to. On top of that, many of us are living longer. All this takes a heavy toll on our traditional financial resources. Most people fund their golden years using 3 sources of income: savings, Social Security, and pension or 401k plan. But for too many Americans, these 3 funding sources just aren't enough to get you by. It's like a 3-legged stool. It can be a little wobbly. Our greatest fear in retirement, that the money might run out, can unfortunately become a reality for hundreds of thousands of older Americans. That wobbly old retirement stool might just need a 4th leg. What many people don't realize is that your largest asset may be your home, and using your home's equity with a reverse mortgage loan could play a vital role in funding your retirement. Your home's equity could become that 4th leg in retirement funding that you may be looking for. It can provide additional cash, allow you to use it while delaying Social Security payments, or hold off liquidating other assets. So it's no longer a shaky retirement stool, but now a more stable home equity chair. Already used by more than 1 million people across the United States, a reverse mortgage is a government-insured loan that helps people gain financial independence from their ever-increasing living expenses. And the best part? You continue to own your home. A reverse mortgage is a loan secured by a lien on your home. Reverse mortgages are a powerful financial tool, but sometimes a few misconceptions come up about this kind of loan. So let's go over them and some common questions so you have the facts. The most common concern we hear is, can I lose my home? You remain the owner of your home, and like any traditional mortgage, there is a lien on the home. You can stay in your home so long as you comply with all the loan terms, including paying your property taxes, homeowner's insurance, and maintaining your home. When the home is sold, the loan is repaid, including interest and any fees, and the remaining equity goes to you or your heirs. Another common question is, what if I have a mortgage already? Well, that's just fine. If you qualify, a reverse mortgage requires that you first pay off your existing mortgage and then gives you the remaining proceeds. That also means that you will have no more monthly mortgage payment, a big savings and a common reason why people use a reverse mortgage. Next, will my Social Security or Medicare benefits be affected? It's best to consult your financial and tax advisor, but generally, Social Security and Medicare are not affected, although some needs-based benefits such as Medicaid and supplemental security income may be affected. What happens if my spouse is under 62? Even if your spouse isn't yet 62, you can still enjoy the advantages a reverse mortgage loan provides. No matter what happens to the borrower, an eligible non-borrowing spouse can continue to live in the home as long as they comply with all the loan terms, including the obligation to pay property taxes, homeowners insurance, and maintain the property. Are there any income or credit score requirements? Changes to the FHA reverse mortgage loan product include a financial assessment of each borrower. There is no credit score required, but your capacity and willingness to meet your financial obligations and comply with the loan requirements is evaluated. An important question for everyone involved is, will my children lose their inheritance? The loan is repaid once the last remaining borrower or eligible non-borrowing spouse moves out of the home or does not otherwise comply with the loan terms. Normally, the home is sold, the loan is repaid, including accrued interest and any fees, and the remaining equity is left to do with as you wish, including providing inheritance for your children. And probably the one question everyone asks eventually, how much money could I get? Well, the amount depends on factors that include your age, your home value, and current interest rates. We encourage you to give us a call to have any of your questions answered. No question is too big or small. If you feel satisfied with the prospects of a reverse mortgage loan so far, let's find out how you qualify. It's simple and easy. Qualifying depends on these important factors. You have to be 62 years or older, and you have to live in and own your own home. It must be your principal residence, which means you need to live there more than 6 months each year. Also, you must go through a financial assessment to determine your willingness and capacity to timely meet your financial obligations and comply with the loan requirements. But the best way to know if you qualify is to contact your reverse mortgage professional and find out how a reverse mortgage can help you stay in the place you love, your home. For caregivers, there are different concerns for your parents or loved ones. In the end, we all know our parents deserve the best in life. And that's especially true now. We also understand that children and caregivers have their own concerns, and it's our job to give you the answers you're looking for. Many families are using a reverse mortgage loan to fund in-home care for those who want to stay in the family home. Our professionals encourage family members to get involved in the reverse mortgage process and are happy to organize group phone calls so everyone can have their questions answered together. How do you get started? Well, the first step is to understand if a reverse mortgage loan suits you. Our reverse mortgage professionals will review with you a financial snapshot of your situation. We will tell you how much money you could qualify for and then help you decide on the next best step. The U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development requires that all reverse mortgage applicants undergo reverse mortgage counseling. We support this counseling so you feel completely comfortable with the process and understand all your options. Now, with a counseling certificate, the application process will be completed. Your reverse mortgage professional is happy to help you with the application and answer any questions along the way. Next, we will schedule an appraisal to determine the value of your property, a standard practice for any mortgage application. It will then be added to your application and submitted for underwriting review. And you're almost done. Once approval is given, a closing agent will contact you to sign the final documents, and plans for your funds disbursement can be made. We are here to help you with your reverse mortgage loan. Call your reverse mortgage professional today